Hey guys, welcome to another YouTube video. Today I am doing my first video ever on Lego, and so yeah, that's cool. So yeah. Anyways, so let's get to the time lapse. Okay guys, so that is the complete thing. I have this truck, this big dinosaur. This you could call him an adventurer, or a treasure finder, or whatever you want to call him. This is the scientist. This is Owen with the tranquilizer darts. Two of them, actually. Here's the guy that lives in this RV and this is Owen's dog. And this is it looks like an island. And when you click this, it like reveals itself from behind the bushes. And then there's a bunch of treasure in there. And the last thing, I'm going to show the RV. See the top, see the front. That part's boarded up. Set dish. Door opens, closes. And then I think you can take the top off, right? It's not supposed to come off, but just to show you guys. There's a bed in there. A computer with a mug, with a cup, I mean. There's a camera, and there's a frying pan. So, yeah, that's cool. And it can move, but it can also, like, stop itself. See, the back, it has brakes, which is really cool, I thought. And I just noticed this, that these can actually go together. I did not notice that before. Anyways, so I think that's going to do it for this video. Let me tell you guys. This one is Jurassic Park Lego, if you guys didn't already know. It's for ages 7 and up. It has 434 pieces. And I think that means it's set 75935. Yeah, that's cool. This is what the back looks like. I didn't know that you can, apparently you can open this up, right? Is that what it says? I think. Yeah, you're supposed to be able to. Oh, yeah. This is not supposed to really be connected to that. Is that so? Oh, yeah. It's just that there's something connecting them, and you could deconnect it, I'm pretty sure. I could be just completely wrong, but that's what I think. Anyway, so I think that's gonna do it for the video. Okay, bye.